This video will guide you through the installation of vertical cable railing on level deck surfaces. Please understand all instructions completely before starting any part of the installation. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: safety glasses, tape measure, pencil, level, miter saw with non-ferrous blade, cordless drill, 4 clamps, appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck surface, lower rail clip jig, 6-inch No. 2 square drive bit, 3/16-inch drill bit. Optional, cable cutting tool. Each post kit includes an aluminum post tube with attached base plate, post cap, and 2-piece base plate cover and an install guide. Post-to-deck mount screws, anchors, are sold separately. Vertical cable rail kits include top and bottom rail with pre-attached cables, cable tensioners, mounting brackets and screws. Post kits sold separately. Stainless steel support rods, support leg, required for sections over 4 feet. Hex bit for cable tensioners. Please note, a helpful tool to purchase is our installation jig and touch-up paint kit. With the installation jig, posts are accurately assembled without the use of a tape measure. Important notes: do not install base plate covers until railing assembly is completed. Actual 6-foot cable panel size equals 69.43 inches. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 3-inch aluminum posts. Note, 3-inch posts are required to reach 6-foot lengths. Place installation jig on top of base plate upper edge with arrow facing base plate. Place clip in hole and fasten with 2 No. 8 by 3/4-inch self-drilling screws. Clips are included in the panel kits. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 3/16-inch drill bit, pre-drill through deck boards and into blocking. If post cap lighting will be installed, drill a 5/8-inch hole in center of the 4 deck screw holes to feed lighting wires. Note, if installing post lighting, wiring must be installed prior to securing posts to deck stair surface and installing top rail snaps. Level and plumb posts using shims. For residential wood decks, we recommend the following fasteners for mounting posts to deck. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all panels are installed. Temporarily install end stair posts so rail centerline aligns with top stair posts installed. Recommended post locations are shown for the most common installation requirements or applications. Install posts at all end locations with maximum gap between post and wall to be less than a 4-inch opening. Position the post on the same 3-inch centerline, typical, and temporarily fasten using a single fastener through base plate mounting hole. 45-degree corner posts. Post to be installed at 22.5 degrees to accommodate a 45-degree angle. Position the post on same 3-inch centerline, typical, and temporarily fasten to the deck surface. Use one 22.5-degree panel attach kit, purchased separately, to install 45-degree corner posts. Each 22.5-degree panel attach kit comes with 4 clips. Loosely lay center posts over deck edge and adjust as required to determine final center post mounting locations. Check with your local regulatory agency for special code requirements in your area. Now, we'll install the deck panel. Remove cable panel from packaging and lay section flat on a non-abrasive surface. Spread U-channels until cables are tight. Note, do not install tensioning blocks until instructed. Clamp or hold panel against installed posts. Adjust for equal end spacing. Center panel so there is equal distance from post to first cable on each end. As per chart, determine the necessary number of support rods required. The support rods should be spaced with no more than 4 cables between rods. Cut and remove cables where rods will be installed. Note: use appropriate stainless steel cutting tool. Mark the top and bottom rails at 4 locations. Unclap panel from posts. Cut bottom channel and top channel 1/16 inch less than opening. Caution: ensure there are no cables in cutting path. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Slide top panel up until the swages stop the top channel. Insert support rods into holes at cut cable locations and slide top channel down to hold them in place. Slide bottom channel onto lower clips. Using 4 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws, secure the lower 2 clips to the panel. Insert clips into top channel of panel on each end. Gently push down on upper channel until resting against upper surface of support rods. Secure upper clips to posts using 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws. Then secure to the panel using 2 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screws. Slide tension blocks between swages and top channel with set screw points facing down. Gently turn set screws just until cable is tight. Make sure swages and tension blocks don't stick up over the top channel. Tip: tighten the front set screws first, just until they reach the channel. Then tighten the rear set screws. This helps to keep everything level. Use included hex bit to tighten tension block set screws in the sequence shown. Caution: do not over-tighten set screws. Measure between posts at both the top and bottom. Then cut top and bottom snap covers 1/16 inch less than opening. Clean the cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed metal. Push rail snaps up under the lower rail channel until properly seated. For openings greater than 4 feet, install support legs under center of bottom rail. Slide support leg under bottom rail and mark. Remove support leg and install 2 deck screws at location of support leg. Then place support leg over screws. Using 1 number 8 by 3/4 inch self-tapping screw, secure the support leg to bottom rail. Push rail snap down onto the top rail channel until properly seated. Important note: the top snap cover should snap firmly onto the aluminum railing channels. Do not use a hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece base plate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.